shine bright, smile like the kitty. It's a new day. It's a new day.
So here we are at Aspire Healthcare. This is a 4-story cold formed steel transitional VA housing. It is a donor or a sponsored project by the clients, and we're currently working with Collage. Collage is the general contractor on this project, and we're providing all the material and supply, and Patriot is the installer and the framer for this project, and they're doing a fantastic job. So some of the things you'll see is the way we handle shear and lateral movement inside our projects is when you're using DINS glass, it doesn't have as much shear capacity from the engineering. So we end up using X bracing, as you can see through the project. That allows for the building itself to be stabilized against wind and load going horizontal versus vertical load going downward. We like this because, hey, you've got the residents are no longer gonna have termites, they're not gonna have mold, they're not gonna have water intrusion issues. Those are completely eliminated with cold formed steel. And I think that's why we're starting to see such a huge shift from wood to cold formed steel today. Everything we do is off-site. We do 100% of the framing off-site. So that means we're bringing everything together in a panel. And here's an example. This is a panel break. So this whole entire piece, including the window insert, is already prepped for the window installation, and it comes as one panel, just as that is a panel, that is a panel, this is a panel. So this is pre-framed off-site for extreme precision without the opportunity for on-site errors, and you get to put it together, at least the installers do, like a puzzle. So everything is labeled and numbered for where it goes, where it belongs on the job site. Their responsibility is to take what is already framed, set it in its place where it's already labeled, pin it down in place, and move on to the next. That's the speed, that's the expression of speed that happens with cold formed steel. It's a small detail, but an important detail. The things that we do for the framers and the installers on site is that every single part and piece of every single panel that's delivered, every stud, every bracing is labeled. So this label indicates where this will be on the plan. They'll also often write it down on the floor, and we take it another step further just to protect it in case there's weather or this was to scrape off for any reason. We also place it on the inside stud of each panel too, not only on the exterior, but the internal. This way there's no weather-related issues that affect it. Now you've got the ability for no longer to have an excuse on the job site that you can't find something, because everything is literally labeled, probably ad nauseum, but the point is that creates an opportunity to reduce errors.